Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at paid advertising. Why am I going to be talking about paid advertising with affiliate marketing? I know it's sometimes a taboo topic to speak about, specifically in terms of scalability, whether it makes sense for a new person to get started. But I'm going to share my thoughts and views about it. So stay tuned when I hop onto my computer and share with you my strategy and everything else related to paid advertising. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the channel. First and foremost, as I said before, my name is David Pino. They also call me Tips with Dave. And this channel is primarily about affiliate marketing, specifically skill sets that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. And I personally use affiliate marketing, and specifically the affiliate marketing essentials, which are two: advertising and copywriting. These are the two things that I mainly specifically talk about because, as I mentioned in my other videos, if you haven't checked that out, then make sure that you do subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you get notified for future videos, because I post every day, not every day, sorry, every three times a week. Every week I do post, but 3 times a week, basically on a Monday, a Wednesday, and a Friday. Guys, as you can see, this is what you get with me. I try to come on and at least give you the information that's needed. First and foremost, with affiliate marketing, if you're a new person, how to get started, but also if you're somebody like me who's been in the industry for some time and have not found or was struggling and then had a breakthrough like I did multiple times, and then I had to basically pull it down into this strategy that you see on screen right now. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you, because I think it's very important that you do understand the motivation behind why I do specific things strategically, and I'm not jumping from one opportunity to the other. This is specifically related to skills, guys. You can have multiple offers in the last 5-6 years that you've done this, maybe a year that you're doing this, maybe a few months that you're doing this. At the end of the day, you might have offers that you want to start to gain and momentum with, and you're stuck. Well, I hope that this video can help you in some way, shape, or form to actually break through and have that success, those results that are needed to then scale up, as you can see. But I also wanted to mention that in case you want to have an overview of this entire strategy that I have right here, it's called Affiliate Marketing Essentials, and I go through it in detail with a course in the description of this video. So if you want to check that out, there's the link in the description to the course. You can get signed up and I will go through it with you. Additionally, you'll get some support also in my Facebook group, so feel free to join that once you're in the course. Let me explain to you a little bit of the backstory that I have. I do have a full-time job. I work with affiliate marketing on the side. So this is something that does generate me income every single day at the moment. And what I'm doing in order for me to not pay out of my pocket for paid advertising is very important. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a mindset overview behind it, because a lot of the times when we talk about advertising, listen, affiliate marketing and skill sets with affiliate marketing are two: advertising and copywriting. And you have to improve those skill sets throughout your journey and career as an affiliate marketer, whether you're just getting started, whether you're in the middle, or like me, that you need to start improving to get to that next level, right? So I will be learning these skill set all my life, and therefore I want to document them on this channel. And that's why I created this channel in the first place. Now, because I have a full-time job, the mindset behind it for me specifically is that I didn't go in the free route of advertising. So using social media marketing or a blog or maybe other free methods of advertising in order for me to start to generate these results with affiliate marketing, I started to do it with paid advertising. And the reason why I started to do it with paid advertising is because I wanted to spend less time online. So I wanted to be able to leverage the strategy within 30 minutes to an hour every single day and still continue to get results so that it grows and I can scale up eventually. So the scaling up is the paid advertising side. If you do not have step one, as you can see right here, which I talk about on Mondays, by the way, then most of the affiliate marketers or most marketers will talk about step two, which is basically advertising to a funnel that you have. Now, the funnel can be complicated or as simple as I have shown at the moment. So it can be complicated if you want, it can be simple if you want, but it's sending people through that funnel and then getting conversions on the funnel itself. Also building an asset with email marketing using copy to increase that conversion rate so that you have more success with affiliate marketing. These are the basics that you will need to keep on improving as you go along. This is just how it is. Okay, so I just wanted to get that out of the way and clear to you. Now, in order for me to do that with paid advertising, I did not want to go out of my pocket and pay from my salary every single month to buy advertising, whether it's Facebook ads, Google ads, and everything else. I wanted to be able to do it in such a way that I first have step one, which is a cash flow generating step for me. I generate a cash flow from it, and then I invest that cash flow that I'm getting, so the profits that I have over there, I'm generating a profit and I'm using those profits to then pay for my advertising so that that machine keeps rolling and I have a consistent flow of leads. And in fact, if I just show you guys my account right here, you can see that I have had 234 leads in the past, 31 days. And this is consistent. I'm trying to grow it as well. And I'm not trying, I am growing it as well, because it is very important for me that I have a higher level of leads to be able to get these conversions. It's 1 to 5% conversions, and then also the 40 to 50% conversions off from my email list itself, right? So this is super, super important for me to hone down and keep at it with my skills. Now, that being said, with paid advertising, what I've created right now, and I'm going to show you guys this, there's a certain mindset that you need to have in order for you to start to generate a profit. So in the beginning, know that, and I'm saying this very openly, in order for you to know exactly that you put $1 and then you get $3 out, or $1 and you get $10 out, or $10 and you get $100 out, whatever it is, that kind of conversion rate, you need to spend money in advertising in order for you to understand your leads and get those conversions. Now, I did not mention this and I want to say it right away. I have all my disclaimers and disclosures in the description of this video, but no one can guarantee results with affiliate marketing. So you can always try these strategies and then improve along the way. The way I work with it is my main core source of traffic, paid advertising that I use, is solo ads. And I will get to that in a second. With solo ads, you do need to have a level of flexibility, I would say, on specifically in your mindset on when you are starting to get a profit. And if you find a solo ad vendor that is working for you, stick with that vendor. Okay, I've gone through videos in the past and I will link them in the description on exactly how to analyze whether the paid advertising source is the best source for you or not. So that is super important for you guys to understand, and I will link those videos below. But in this video today, just to give you guys an idea, I had made this simple little graph right here, which I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller so that you guys can see. Now imagine that you have paid advertising and your aim for that paid advertising. Now, guys, let me just get it out of the way right away and say that whether you're going out of pocket for this or whether you're following this strategy, and if you want to know more about this strategy, the link is in the description. You can get the course and find out about the strategy. If you're following step one, for me, I'm just using my budget from step one to be able to pay for step two. Okay, so I'm not going out of pocket. I'm able to do it with the cash flow that I'm getting from step one. But if you are doing it with either that way and you're using that strategy, or you're using paid advertising to be able to scale up, what you need to know first and foremost is, firstly, you do need to have a proper sales process in place. So this entire structure here, going to a landing page, that, advertising going to a landing page, and then goes to a bridge page, and then goes to an offer that you own, so that you start to get commission. This is the primary example of affiliate marketing that you need to have. Now, this sales process is very important because it automates your the whole business. It saves you a lot of time doing it, and you can get sales while you sleep. So that's why it's important. Can I guarantee you those sales? No, but this is the process that we follow. I hope this is clear. Now, if you're following this process and advertising from your pocket and using paid advertising from your pocket, so let's say you have a budget every single month and you want to stick to that budget, I want you to expect no more no net profit from that budget being spent for at least 6 to 9 months. Why am I saying that? Because first and foremost, with paid advertising, you need to do it consistently. You need to do it for a long time before you find the right source for you. Because once you find the right source for you, whether it's Google paid advertising, whether Google ads, or whether it's Facebook ads, or whether it's TikTok ads, whatever it is, when you find the right source for you, then you can definitely improve those, and you have a strategic way of improving your conversion rate. For the beginning, get into the mindset that you have to spend in order for you to actually be able to gather this data and then get better conversions. So maybe in the first 6 to 9 months, you're not getting a profit from it, but you're able to gather that data that's giving you key elements that you need to learn from. I just want to make this super clear. So that being said, if I go to this simple whiteboard and show you guys the example right here, let's just use a pen. Let's say in the first month you start advertising. Okay, so what happens is you're going out of pocket the first month. So let's say this is month number one. Okay, you've gone out of pocket, you've spent some money, you haven't made any sales, and with spending that money, you might get leads. So what you're doing is you're building an asset right here with your emails. but maybe you haven't got any sales. That's the first month. Let's say you've consistently week after week bought traffic, but you haven't got. Second month, you still haven't got any results, but now you have 2 months of data. And this is if you're on a tight budget. If you're on a bigger budget, then maybe the first month you get some results. So you're not anymore here. You're somewhere over here. Let's say this is your break-even point, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna undo this because how do I do that? Yeah, just to show you guys. Okay, so this is the second month. You still haven't got any results. The third month, you start to get some results. So now you're getting closer to your break-even point. So let's say this is the third month. You've now got some results. Great. Use that traffic source that you have got the results from again to see how it's converting. Maybe you don't get maybe in the fourth month now, you are arriving to some kind of results, but it's a little bit lower than the last month, but higher than the second month that you've got. So now you're still break even is a little bit less, but you're still in the negative. So this is the fourth month. And I'm going to go to this, let's say fifth month, you start to get better results. Okay. And let's say now this is the sixth month, you're getting closer to the line because you started to get results. So you're using that same source again. But remember, you're still spending, you're still in the negative, you're still spending, but you're now getting closer to that break even point. And then you reach a stage where you cross that. So let's say this is the seventh, then this is the eighth, and then this is the ninth. What you're doing now here with this whole entire progression is that most of the time when you know that you're getting results with a specific vendor, you're still spending, you're still in the negative. But now once you've got to the positive, you're only spending your profits on, or you're spending the bulk on the traffic, and now you're starting to get a profit. Keep those profits and keep spending that same budget that you have to be able to increase this. If you want to increase the amount, you increase the amount and then pocket it. But remember, your profits may not be the amount that you see. Let's say that in the beginning you're spending, $2-3 a day. Let's put it that way, $2-3 a day, and you've made $1. You're still in the negative. Then you start to spend $5 a day, but you're making $15. So now you spend $10 a day and you have $5 profit. So you start to increase your budget and expenditure, and that's how the scalability happens. But do not expect yourself to get the results immediately. This is gonna take time. That's why personally I have the strategy in place where I have this cash flow generating option, because with this cash flow generating option, I have at least every single month a budget that I follow, and I consistently use that, and I'm not going out of my pocket. I'm using actually this whole process to create a cash flow and then be able to pay that advertising consistently, because I don't want to go into my salary or anything like that, because I do have a full-time job. Now, that being said, I personally use solo ads, and one of the key places that I do use solo ads is Udemy Solo Ads. So this is a network. Basically, I'm just going to show you what it is. But Udemy, if I just go to Udemy Solo, udemy.com, you will be able to see it. Udemy Solos basically is a network of different solo ad vendors. So you can find different solo ad vendors here. I've gone through the training. As I said before, I will link it in the description, but it's one of the places that I personally use. And in order for you to get specific solo ads that do convert, you do need to check and see how their conversion rate is, how much you're going to be spending. But the one of the things that I like about Udemy Solo Ads, just to show you guys, and I just click on a random person to give you guys an example, you can select how many clicks you want. From those clicks, remember, with all of this entire whole process, as you buy traffic, what are you doing here? Even though you're spending more money and you're going into the negative, you're still building an email list, guys. Okay, because you're still building an email list. You're sending it to a landing page that basically collects that email. So that traffic is not gone to waste. It's on your email address. And now they may not all convert, but you're getting an asset that can be a repeat buyer for you. So it's very important to understand that you are building an asset at the same time. Now, just to show you, you can buy clicks, and those clicks then convert into leads, which can potentially convert into sales. Okay, that's just to give you guys an idea on this whole entire process. But why do I look at Udemy Solo Ads? Why do I personally use Solo Ads? Because I feel it's the easiest and the fastest way. It's not for everybody. I'm going to say that right up front. It's not for everybody, but this is something that does make sense, in my opinion, for the way I work and the niche that I work in. If you are interested in health niche, there are other options, and I will be talking about those other options in different videos. But right now, I just want to give you an example of how Udemy Solo Ads work. So let's say you choose and you want 175 clicks. Okay, let's just put it as 75 clicks. The good thing is that with the 75 clicks, what you can do right here is you can see, actually, let me just refresh this page so you see it. So let's use Demetrius as an example. and we go to 175 clicks. Okay, say you have a budget of 75 clicks a week or 50 clicks a week that you want to purchase. Now if you see right here, these are the clicks, and then you have the date right here. So the earliest date that I can purchase is 21st of Jan, as you can see. But let's say I want to have 50 clicks on the 27th, so 50 clicks on 21st, 27th, and then February 3 or 4. Let's say I do this, okay, just to give you guys a little bit of an example, and I click continue. What happens here now is that you can see that you would have 6 orders, so that's 300 clicks that month, or that amount of time every week, 50 clicks, and then you can see the total amount is right here, and you can then purchase those clicks for the entire month. So let's say if you have a budget and you're going out of pocket, you can actually do this and plan it so that you have consistent leads coming to you every single week. That's why I said that is very important. I would do it 1 week at a time just in the beginning to test things out. But once you have a vendor that you like and that is getting results for you, then this is something that I would apply to my business, because I know I'm going to be spending that much. I have a budget for that much. So let's say I want to spend $200 a month. This is perfect for me. I'm going to spend 128 for the next 6 orders and get 300 clicks. Wow. What amazing option that's available for me. So that is why I personally use Udemy Solo Ads, because I think it has a really strong hold of, firstly, the quality of traffic that you're getting, because you are definitely using it and they have a quality control check, but also the fact that you can plan. This is something that's super important for me, because in doing so, I'm like saving a lot. You know, I'm not doing 300 clicks, but I'm doing 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, and that makes sense, right? So for the next month, I have basically every week 50 clicks at least going. This is a very low amount of clicks, by the way, but it depends on your budget, right? It really depends on your budget. The more data you have and the more consistency you have with this, the better it is, because the flow keeps going in, and that's what we need in order for us to then break through that break even point, and go to the scalability option available for you. So guys, I cover this more in my entire strategy below, but in case you guys want, I'm going to leave also a link in the description to Udemy Solo Ads, and try it out. Test 50 clicks, see which work. You can also see my other videos, which I have linked in the description, on how to, gather the information on specifically Udemy Solo Ads, whether it makes sense for you to buy a purchase or not. So just to give you a quick idea, I go to find sellers and I use the filter option available. So I do look at, different amount of visitors, but the main thing that I do look at is the sales option. So let me just go and show you guys here. Got sales, and I keep it to at least 50% sales. Why do I want 50% sales? Because I want the highest quality traffic that's there. So here, this person has 85% sales. So I would go with, he got, for example, check when was the last time he got sales. So he's got sales today. Sorry, in the month of January 2024. So I know that this vendor is getting actively sales. It's somebody who I would consider to buy for. I will definitely check what kind of reviews, what kind of subscribers he has, how many he's getting per day, what order the traffic suitable for, whether it makes sense for me or not to buy it, and then purchase it from them and plan accordingly. So it's something to take into consideration. As I said, all links are in the description. If you want to follow the strategy, again, resources are there. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you value. Please do comment and let me know, because I'm making these videos for you guys. I'm documenting my journey and sharing with you what I actually do. So whether you get started or not, I'm doing this, and I would like to share and document that with you. So guys, that's it from me. Hop on Monday's video, where I talk about step 1 specifically on how to create a cash flow for yourself every single day, the strategy that I'm following. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you on the next video.